So last time we had come till this point, substitution method. This was the question left in the last session. Differentiate following with respect to x. 9 questions are there, out of which these 3 questions I am going to discuss with you now. Let's go ahead and see how and what to do in this case. Y is equal to tan inverse of 8x upon 1 minus 15x square. Now whenever there is a tan in this inverse part and whenever there is a expression of such a kind that there is 1 in the denominator, in that case we have to look for this sign first. If it is a minus here, all you need to do is find two expressions whose sum is 8x and whose product is 15x square. Now I am giving you the algorithm to look for these things. First look for if there is a 1, then check whether it is a plus or minus. इथे जर मायनस असेल तर मला असे दोन टर्म्स मिळवायचे की ज्याची बेरीज 8x असेल आणि असे दोन टर्म्स की ज्याचा प्रोडक्ट म्हणजेच गुणाकार हा 15x स्क्वेअर असते. Let's see. So these are the two terms 3x plus 5x. Their sum is 8x and their product is 15x square. This expression is of the form tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. In this case, I had asked you to use this formula, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So simply this will be tan inverse of 3x plus tan inverse of 5x. Right now this part I am taking it as x and this part I am taking it as y. So as it says tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, this is tan inverse of 3x plus tan inverse of 5x. Now the rest part is easy. All I need to do is differentiate this with respect to x. So derivative of this term tan inverse of 3x plus derivative of tan inverse of 5x. Derivative of tan inverse of 3x, it is a composite kind of a function. So let's find out the derivative of tan inverse part, which is 1 upon 1 plus whatever expression is inside and square of that. जर tan inverse of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असेल तो असतो 1 upon 1 plus x square, पण इथे 3x असल्यामुळे त्याला मी 3x चा स्क्वेअर म्हणून लिहीन. आफ्टर दॅट I have to multiply this expression by derivative of inner term plus, now here also the same thing, tan inverse of 5x. So I will write it as 1 upon 1 plus 5x whole bracket square and derivative of 5x further. Now only two things are left, finding the derivative of 3x and finding the derivative of 5x. So that would be derivative of 3x is 3 and derivative of 5x is 5. We don't need to simplify it further unnecessarily. So leave this answer at this part. So dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 1 plus 9x square plus 5 upon 1 plus 25x square. Now in this sum, I am asking you to find the clue in this sum. See again, it's a tan inverse, then 1 is there, right next to it there is a plus sign. So all I need to do is this term somehow I have to write as the difference of two terms and this term as product of two terms. म्हणजे असे दोन टर्म्स पाहिजे मला, त्याचा डिफरन्स हा 2 raised to x असेल आणि ज्याचा प्रोडक्ट हा 2 raised to 2x plus 1 असेल. हे करण्याकरता पहिल्यांदा थोडंसं सिम्प्लिफाय करून घेऊ आपण. सो I write this expression above in this form. This is 2 raised to x 1 plus 2 into 2 raised to x चा स्क्वेअर. हा जो 1 आहे त्याला मी सेपरेट करतोय 2 raised to 1 म्हणून आणि 2 raised to 2x जे आहे ते 2 raised to x चा स्क्वेअर म्हणून लिहितोय मी. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, ही जी टर्म आहे ती मला डिफरन्स म्हणून मांडायची आहे आणि ही जी टर्म आहे ती प्रोडक्ट म्हणून मांडायची आहे दोन टर्मची. These are the two terms written over here. 2 into 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to x. 2 times 2 raised to x minus this is 1 times 2 raised to x. So it would be only 2 raised to x in the denominator. 2 raised to x whole bracket square is there. That means there are 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x and this is the 2. Now we will recall the formula. If it is tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 plus xy, this is minus and this is plus over here. If it is minus, this minus sign will be there in the answer. So similarly here what I get is y is equal to tan inverse of 2 into 2 raised to x. This is the first term and this is the second term over here. I have to find the derivative. First the derivative of first term and then the derivative of next term. Finding the derivative of first term is what we have done before, 1 upon 1 plus whatever term is there and square of that into derivative of this term. out of which these 2 I have written outside because being a coefficient. And here this minus sign as it is, tan inverse of 2 raised to x, 1 upon 1 plus 2 raised to x whole bracket square into derivative of 2 raised to x. All I get is this 2 was coefficient, so it is there, and derivative of 2 raised to x is 2 raised to x log 2. And what about this? Here also derivative of 2 raised to x is 2 raised to x log 2. So further I can simplify it as this 2 raised to x log 2 I can take common, and whatever is left inside I have kept it in the bracket. So this will be the final answer. Only thing is, when it is 1 over here, then if it is plus, then I have to write it as a difference. If it is minus, then I have to write it as a sum. Okay, let's go to the next. See now, it is a cot inverse of x is there. First convert cot inverse into tan inverse. This is the formula, cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon x. So I am writing this first in tan inverse. Now as we have seen in the previous sum, इथे 1 नाही, इथे 4 आहे. मग somehow मला या 4 ला 1 मध्ये रूपांतर करायचं आहे. या 4 चं रूपांतर मला 1 मध्ये करायचं आहे. तर ते कसं करता येईल आपल्याला? This 4 I have written it as 1 plus 3. आता तो आपल्याला 1 मिळवता आलेला आहे. या टर्मचं मी थोडंसं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करून घेतोय. 1 नंतर जे आहे these 3 terms I am grouping them. या सगळ्याचा एक ग्रुप तयार करून त्याला मायनस चिन्ह दिलेलं आहे. का बरं ग्रुप केलेला आहे? कारण की हा जो 2x² आहे त्याला निगेटिव्ह चिन्ह आहे. मला हे क्वाड्रॅटिक एक्सप्रेशन आणायचं असेल तर त्याला मला पॉझिटिव्ह चिन्ह आणण्यासाठी मी निगेटिव्ह साइन हे बाहेर काढलेलं आहे. त्याचं निगेटिव्ह साइन बाहेर काढल्यामुळे तो 2x² plus x minus 3 या स्वरूपामध्ये आलेला आहे. आता नेक्स्ट क्लू काय आहे आपला? तर हा निगेटिव्ह साइन आहे. निगेटिव्ह साइन असेल तर मला असे दोन टर्म्स मिळवायचे ज्याची सम ही 3x plus 2 इतकी असेल आणि ज्याचा प्रोडक्ट हा 2x² plus x minus 3 इतका असेल. -3 into 2 is -6. I have to write this as 3 into -2. Simplifying it further, all I get is first factor is 2x plus 3 and second factor is x minus 1. And if I add these two things, I am going to get this term itself. So here I am getting the expression in my required form. 1 minus 2 terms चा गुणाकार आणि त्याच 2 term ची बेरीज in the numerator. Further I will use the same formula. This formula itself, tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy will be tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of 2x plus 3 plus tan inverse of x minus 1. I have to differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of first term plus derivative of second term. I think there should be plus sign over here. It is 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3 whole bracket square into derivative of 2x plus 3. Here 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 whole bracket square into derivative of x minus 1. So derivative of 2x plus 3, 3 being constant, derivative of which is 0. So and derivative of 2x is simply 2. So only 2 is remaining in the numerator. Rest part in the denominator as it is. And here only x minus 1's derivative, that should be 1 in the numerator. 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 whole bracket square. And this will be the final answer.